I decided to peel it off with tweezers because the lines are really small. So I'm going to grab the masking fluid with the tweezers and pull it off that way. Great. The stark contrast to the purple is really cool. But I don't want to take any chances of rubbing it with my fingers and smearing ink all over the place. Okay, say that and then I decide to do it. Tweezers really are better for a really fine spot. You can even take the tweezers and just rub them along the masking fluid to peel it off, and that works really nicely. And then if there's enough of it, you can grab it, squeeze it, and pull it off. So another trick is trying to find out, where did I put it? I've had some paintings I thought were all finished. I come back in later and I still have some masking fluid I never removed. Nice if you could just pull it off in one fell swoop, but it doesn't work that way very often enough. You can pull out your reference photo to see, where did I have lines? Oh, there should be some on the sides here. I don't see any. And then if I look at my reference photo, I can see there's no green over here. So nope, I didn't do it. So this might be another time to show you what the white pen would do for that part that I forgot. Come in here. Put in a little jag. Come up here. Looks like my pen has like a division in the middle of it. This is the Signo, and it's not nearly as white as it is where you have the masking fluid. So I'll bring in this Sharpie. That's a much clearer white. Doesn't always dry that way. Getting a little color in here is not bad either, because my lightning's kind of stark compared to the picture.